This is the difference. So we will go for deep copy now. System will like deep copy. Deep copy will be created for every instance, separate memories. Okay. See, packet 2 equal to
Okay.
packet 1 dot copy, packet 1 equal to new. This will be created. Packet 1, packet 2 dot packet 1 copy means this will be remaining hold. Okay. This won't change. This won't
Okay.
override. Again, two new memory locations will be created. Because of that,
Okay.
these values don't change. These values retains as long as.
So deep copy means the values did not get changed.
Very good. Simply that is. In the
But
below
in shallow
example,
copy also, but in shallow copy also value does not get changed. So how deep copy is different from shallow
no,
copy?
no. See, if we are copying the location and sharing the details, it values have changed, right? Did you observe?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Address range AR equal to new they are created. After that, they copied packet to packet underscore two equal to new of packet one underscore. After that, they changed.
Okay, in the shallow copy, the values gets changed, but the two locations were created. Different memory location were created.
Yeah,
So that was the problem. In deep copy means different memory location will get created, but values will not change.
yeah.
I understand.
See here,
Okay.
calling packet one display 10FF 1050, 10FF 1050, 10FF 1050. After calling packet 2 display, after calling packet 1 display, after changing packet 2 properties, packet 2 properties have changed. At that time also packet values are 10FF. These values are regaining. So these values are not altering. Calling packet to display after calling packet to properties, property by changing property packet to properties and displaying property to packet to, at that time only these values should change. This is perfect. So our data will not loss here. Understood? So
Okay.
we
Okay.
will
Okay.
use only deep copy only entire our course. See how deep copy will be. Address range, start address, end address, start address 10, end address 50, and function range copy. Copy equal to new, start address, end address. This dot, see, copy dot address, copy dot end address. This dot start address, this dot end address. See, this will be bit address data, address change, address range AR. Okay, function new equal to address data AR equal to new. So here display function void display, it doesn't return anything. Copy function here we are writing copy equal to new, copy dot address equal to this dot address, copy dot data equal to this dot data, copy dot AR address range equal to AR dot copy. Calling copy function of uh, TR. Packet 1, packet 2, initial packet 1 equal to new display, calling for packet 1 display, packet 1 dot display, packet 2 equal to new, creating packet 2 object, dollar display, calling pocket2 display, pocket2 dot display, pocket2 equal to pocket1 of copy, calling copy method, changing the values with pocket2 handle, pocket2 dot address equal to 32h68, pocket2 pocket2 dot ar equal to start address equal to 60, pocket2 dot ar dot end address equal to 80, dollar display, calling pocket1 display after changing pocket2 properties, pocket1 display, pocket2 display, only pocket2 display that values are changing, pocket1 display it is same. Parameterized classes. Parameterized class means in front of the class we will put a hash. Okay. Parameterized classes are same as parameterized modules in the Verilog, same like the constant local to that particular class. That those things will be very local to that. Okay, parameterized class is local to that class only. If there is a class like uh, base class and derived class, if you put the parameterized class as derived class, that local to the derived class only, that parameters, data members, everything will be attained. The parameters can be used to define set of attributes in a class. Default values can be overridden by passing a new set of parameters during the instantiation. This is called parameter overriding. Parameter overriding means parameter values can be define a set of attributes in a class. Default values can be overridden. For example, default values you have given like 10 and 20, and you passing a new set of parameters during instantiation, that is 30 40, so those values will be overridden, 30 40 will be uh, remains there. This is an example class address width. This is bus width actually. Address width minus 1 down to 0, data width minus 1 down to 0, data address. This is more generalized packet. Okay, generalized hash parameter int address width equal to 32, data width equal to 32. For example, these things will be there on the address width, data width will be there on the entire n number of classes. We will change for example 32 to 64 here one time, then everything will be changed. 32 to 64. Understood?
Okay.
So that is the simplest way of doing it. Wait a second. See, address equal to 10, data equal to 20, end function. Pass data type to a class. Inheritance. What is meant by inheritance? What is the meaning of inheritance in English?
Inheritance means passing the passing the property to someone else.
Correct. Here also same meaning only. Class A. Okay. Class A properties methods. Properties means you know uh, data members, variables. These are all called properties. Okay.
Okay.
Methods means what are the methods in a class?
Method 1, method 2. Method 1 is a task. Method 2 is a function.
Very good. Methods means task and function. Okay,
Mhm.
they can be anyway, one or two, it doesn't matter. But those are,
Okay.
see, this is extended class, this is base class. In this, these properties and methods also will come. We can access.
Okay. We can pass the methods as well.
Yeah, in her parent class. It is an existing class. The class will hold features are inherited. The parent class is also known as base class, super class. We will use super keywords also to point the parent class sometimes after. Child class. It is an extended class. The class that inherits the other class is known as subclass. The child class also known as extended class, derived class or subclass. These things theory and all don't study. See here, this is a parent class. This is child class. Okay, we here we are creating child
Okay.
class constructor. We are creating for child class. Child class c equal to new. Okay, we are
Okay.
passing c dot address equal to 10, c dot data equal to 20. See here, address is not there in the child class. Only data is there,
Okay.
right, in child class.
Okay.
But still it will display both values. So we can access.
Yes.
It means it has inherited. That's what it means. It has inherited. See, 10 and 20 will be displayed.
Hmm.
Address 10, data 20. See,
Yes.
here we are creating constructor only for child class C. But still,
Hmm.
we are in a position to access parent class as well.
Hmm.
Parent class is nothing but data. Wait a minute. Parent class is nothing but address. Child class is nothing but data. Here we can access both.
Okay. Okay.
Polymorphism in system Verilog. What is meant by polymorphism?
Polymorphism, I forgot.
Poly
Many
means
forms.
correct, many forms. Object to take many forms. Okay, method to handle
Yes.
superclass can be made to refer to the subclass method. This allows polymorphism or different forms of
Method.
same method. See here, method handle of superclass. Superclass means what? Parent class or base class. Okay, can be made to refer to the subclass, that is child class. This allows polymorphism or different forms of same method. C class BC function display end task. This is display function. Class E1 function display end task. Class E2 function display end task. Class E3 function display end class. It can see, it can access, display function can access all the child classes. All child classes also can access super method. Base class virtual function void display inside. Writing external classes base class display method overridden it. See here, class base class. Okay, virtual function. What is mean by virtual function or virtual method?
That is not real.
Of course, that is like a skeleton prototype. By calling it, we can give structure to it. We can give life to it. class base class
Okay,
virtual function.
virtual function is a prototype, and when we call it, we will make it real.
Yeah, virtual function void display dollar display inside the class end function class extended class 1. Okay, class extended class ext class 1 extends base class function void display dollar display inside extended class 1 end function extended class 2 class extended class 2 extends base class again second the extended one class also extending extended two class also extending here also function void display function we are calling here also void function display function we are calling. Okay, again
Okay.
extended 3 3 also same we are display function 3 is calling. Okay, in module
Okay.
extended function 1 ec1 equal to new ec2 equal to new ec3 equal to new base function base class c base class b c3 equal to b of c equal to 3. In this assigning class extended class to the base class bc of 0 equal to ec1 bc of 1 equal to ec2 bc of 2 equal to ec3. Accessing extended class methods using base class handle bc of 0 equal to display bc of 1 equal to display bc of 3 equal to display we are calling it. What do we will get, tell me? Three displays we will get, that's all. Inside class 1 class 2 class 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
class 1 class 2 class 3. Okay, that's it. Okay,
Okay.
this is polymorphism, that's all. There is nothing more you need to learn. You have to practice after that these things. Overriding class members. Overriding means what is mean by overriding?
Overriding means writing the new values to the existing values.
Correct. You are such a talented, you know everything. See
I
here.
just I just sketched out the vocab.
No, those are correct only. See here. This is bit 31 down to 0 address function. Okay. ADDR equal to percentage 0D address. This is one function in parent class. This is child class. How we will get child class? With the help of extends keyword. We need to use extends keyword parent class. That is the base class name. After that child class, we can give any name to child class. Okay, here also 31 down to 0 data and function display these are all data equal to some value in there are only one child class in inheritance module inheritance initial begin child class equal to c equal to new child class value and c dot address equal to 10 c dot data equal to 20 c dot display what it has to display 10 and 20, isn't it?
Yes.
That's it. This is having a problem. Data equal to 20. Why not address equal to
Hmm.
10?
It is not displaying address equals to 10. Because there is only display data equals. Address function
Here
display
also
address
display
equals
function is
to.
there, right?
Right, right, right.
Why not address equal to 10? Overriding class members in below example, parent class has the method display. Display method is redefined in the child class, which will override. Oh, child class. See, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, it is coming value. Okay,
Okay,
I'll explain this.
okay,
With I want paint. This is one memory location. Okay, initially it is calling to parent class. In parent class, what is there?
okay.
ADDR address is there, and that address value is how much? 10. Okay,
Hmm.
we
Okay.
are overriding that class means we are replacing these values with the data
Okay,
address.
we are replacing address with data. That is overriding.
Yeah, yeah, that is 20. So we are at the final. If you display, then what you will get? Whatever they are existing on the memory, those values only fetched, right?
Right.
That is the thing. Super keyword. Super keyword is used to used in a derived class to refer to the members of the parent class. See, now we lost that parent class data members, right? If we don't want to lose that data, then what we will use is we'll use the keyword called as super. Don't read anything. Whichever I told, only those points you note down, you study. Your time will be saved. That is, I'm generalizing everything. See here. Here two
Okay.
functions class BC display. Here display super dot display. Super dot display means it will go and call to this display also. Okay.
Okay. Both will be displayed.
Yes. Okay. Super dot display for child class. So this will refer to the parent class. Now both values will get 10 and 20, both values will get. Earlier it is overriding. Now it will get, see, address 10 data 20. We got right. Neha.
Yes, yes, yes. Address 10 and data 20. It will display now both.
Casting. In manufacturing, casting is a process which liquid metal, these nonsense and all don't study. Okay, static casting, dynamic casting.
Gopal has already got a job in VLSI.
No, no, he is entering for searching for job.
Okay, you are helping in taking him job in VLSI.
Yeah, yeah. The real value int value is 7. Okay. See, what is this value? 2.1 into 3.2, 6.7, right?
Yes.
This is real value. If we take upcasting means it will go to near to the highest value. 6.7 means 6.5, more than 6.5, right? So it will go to 7.
Mm-hmm.
Dynamic casting. Dynamic casting is used to safely cast superclass pointer reference into the subclass pointer reference in the class hierarchy. Dynamic casting will be checked during the runtime. Dynamic static classes simulation time. This is the runtime. Okay, first there will be a simulation, after that run. Okay, simulation will identify the syntax problem, and run will identify the logical problem. Dynamic casting example. This parent class, this bit function. This is like a function, method 1 function, bit 30 down to address. This is data, this is also function. Super dot super dot display is given. So this will displays the parent class object also. So module inheritance. So we are getting it. Parent class p equal to new, child class c equal to new, c dot address equal to n. Assigning child class to handle to the parent class handle, then it will throw an error. Okay, dynamically at
Okay.
runtime this will throw an error. We can't do that, we can't do like that. For it is not getting error. Oh, child class can be given to I'll change this one. C equal to p, I'll put c equal to p. Now it will throw error, I guess. See, now if we put here dollar cast, still an error. It is running. Why? Parent class to child class, c equal to p, error. Assigning parent class handle, child class handle. See, this is also an error with the dollar cast. Child class C1. Oh, I need to put child class C1. This one I need to put. I need to create one more instance that I didn't create. Okay. Okay. C1 equal to P. Still it is not coming. C1 comma P. Oh, I need to put comma, not equal to. Now it will run. Even I forgot the syntax. Success. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
See, you got. What is meant by encapsulation?
Capsulating something into envelope, maybe.
Correct. The English meaning is correct. The technique of hiding the data within the class and making it available only through the methods is known as encapsulation. You remember only that point. Remaining points you don't remember. Access control.
Okay.
Local protected. Syntax local. This is the local bit. Temp address. This is local to this class only. What we are doing? Parent class PC. Class parent class local bit temp address. This is called constructor creation. Bit 31 down to 0 R address. Temp address equal to R address plus 10. Okay. Function display dollar display temp address. Again we are creating a method. Display method temp address equal to we are accessing trying to accessing, and here in the module initial begin parent class PC equal to new of 5. Okay, that temporary address, how many arguments are there in the temporary address? Only one address, right? So our address should take 10 value. Our address, that is the 5. 5 plus 10, 15 value temporary address it should go. Okay. PC.temp address equal to 20. Accessing local variable outside the class. This is the outside of the class, right? This is the inside of the class. Only
Okay.
inside of the class only we can access. Outside of the classes we are accessing, so it will throw an error. We'll see that error.
Okay.
Compile failure error. Cannot access local or protected member p.c.temp address from the scope testbench 19. How beautifully it is telling. This value we cannot access. This is because local or protected value should be there within the access within that class only, scope of that class only, not outside of the class. That's what this error beautifully telling.
Mm-hmm.
Accessing local variable within the class allowed. For example, local temp address. Local temp address is it is allowed here. Temp address is local. It is allowed here. We'll see. See, temp address 15. It is allowed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Protected class members, protected integer x. In some cases, it is required to access class members only by the derived class. This can be done by prefixing the class members within the protected keyword. If we put protected keyword, that values will be accessed only in the child class. Okay, accessing a protected variable outside the class
Mm-hmm.
not allowed. See, protected keyword is putting temp address. Okay. These are the methods. This is the new
Mm-hmm.
construction display method. Child class. In child class, it is trying to access. Wait, uh, trying to access. Trying to access it. So we will see what will happen. Method of encapsulation. Initial begin parent class PC equal to 5. Child class CC equal to new equal to 5. PC temp equal to 10. Variable declared protected cannot be accessed outside the class. So it will throw an error. We'll see how it will throw an error and what it will says. We'll learn from compiler a lot because it will tell exact answer. This is line number temp address, right? 30th 30 number. Function PC display result ignore test bench. 31 cannot access local or protected member PC dot temp address 30th. So, from this scope, okay, test bench 30. Okay. Accessing protected variable in the extended class allowed. Okay. Extended class means what? Child class, right? See, allowed. Temp address is 21. Temp address equal to R address